The Dasaita Android 13 car stereo offers seamless integration with Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator models from 2018 to 2022, maintaining all factory functions like steering wheel controls and reverse camera. Equipped with a powerful 8-core Qualcomm processor and ample memory, this car stereo ensures fast and smooth performance, perfect for multitasking and accessing online features through a 4G SIM card. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, drivers can effortlessly access phone functions such as navigation, calls, and music while keeping their focus on the road. The built-in inclinometer improves driving safety by monitoring the vehicle's roll and pitch angles and issuing alerts when preset thresholds are exceeded. Audiophiles will appreciate the superior sound quality provided by the professional-grade amplifier, offering crisp highs and deep lows for an immersive listening experience. The QLED touchscreen display and customizable user interface enhance the visual and interactive experience, allowing for personalized settings and split-screen functionality.